Welcome back to our channel where we dive into amazing church stage designs. I'm so excited to introduce you today Bill Pendleton's fantastic creation. He's the ministry design creator at Liberty Heights Church located right here in beautiful Ohio, specifically in lovely Liberty Township. You see, creativity doesn't just stop at churches and billboards. It enhanced with a little extra effort can turn an entire service experience around for changing the story that is being guided when people walk into your place. House hymns are steeped in history, lyrics speak directly understanding hearts, but also visually. Speaking, there's something about seeing what they believe on full display as if their faith has come alive. Bill took inspiration from his own previous work like tree variety stage tiger trees, which was done years ago, along maybe even some leftover materials to create this stunning range of textures, multi-treed look. Yes, you read that correctly. He combined string trees created using old sets, existing icicle trees made out lateral plywood, and 1.5 inch thick foam sheets left over after other projects were finished up with Saran-wrap trees wrapped around frames covered entirely by shiny foil, creating an eye-catching contrast effect while keeping costs down since only new purchases included the aforementioned items plus icicule's fake snowy decorations. Triangle-shaped tree frames came in all sizes. Thanks again for repurposing what already existed within their own facilities, making it easier on everyone involved financially speaking too, because let's face honesty, sometimes we don't need fancy things, just good. Oh well, fashion resourcefulness does wonders here, though they did end buying some extra supplies like white Christmas lights, LED bars, which added that perfect ambience level. DJ friendly, remember? Now I know you might be wondering how to achieve this look yourself. Well, my friends, details are provided below in our video description, so make sure to check those out. But before we go any further, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications as new designs come up every week. We love hearing from all of you, so feel free to leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts, ideas, or even asking questions about creating similar looks for your own church stage. Thanks again, Bill Pendleton at Liberty Heights Church, Ohio, for allowing us to share his incredible work with everyone here today. Don't forget, creativity knows no bounds, especially when it comes together like faith community spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, keep shining bright. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.